Hi, welcome to my workshop on canine communication, how to read dog body language. Just seeing one little piece of body language out of context tells you nothing about the book this is from. Try to think of, not Sarah is an aggressive dog because I saw her in the snapshot on the left, or Sarah is a happy dog because I saw her in the snapshot on the right. Think about behavior as being on a full spectrum. Think about what the dog's doing. Describe what they're doing rather than she looks angry on the left. If I said this dog looks angry, you might picture something very different from what I picture. You might say she looks happy on the right, but think about what is she doing. Her mouth is open, she is panting, her ears are forward, her eyes are squinty. So it's really important for us as behavior professionals to learn to describe behavior objectively rather than adding our own emotions. I think it's really important to look at the bitey end first. We're going to look at the shape of the eye, how much tension there is in the face, how much white is showing.